Hey guys, during this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add a drop-down list in Monday.com. So once when you open Monday.com, what do you need to do? You need to open one of the projects that you're working on. So I'm going to open this board, and what you're going to do, you're going to click here, and then you have to go down and click on more columns. So once when you do that, you're going to come here, and from here you need to write drop or drop down as well, completely up to you. And you can see there's this drop down right here, which I have added here. So this is the drop down. Now what do I need to do? I can rename it as well. That's completely up to me. Or what I can do, I can add uh, drop down options. For example, yes, I can add a new label as yes. And then I can add another label by no. Yeah. And another by the name of maybe. So I have added 3 labels, and once when you're done with that, we can select it from the label that we want. So it's as easy as it is. You can add more options down below, and you know, you can use this or you can add more. That's completely up to us. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the next one.